Electric vehicles are taking over the world, and we have seen so many models. Apart from Tesla cars hitting the market in 2021, mini EVs are standing out with large sales volume in 2021. There is no doubt that small and mini electric vehicles will never match the potential of larger alternatives. Small electric vehicles means less space for batteries and a low driving range as well. However, a small battery also means a lower asking price. If you are looking for urban runabouts and do only the occasional longer journey, then you can easily find a small electric car within your budget. An occasional longer journey means you require about 180 miles of driving range from these small EVs. Let's jump straight to our list of top 10 small electric cars of 2021. Fujet E208. The Fujet E208 is one of the several PSA Group compact EVs, but it is the all-electric version of the 208 Super Mini hit the market in 2020. However, it is the best priced and most visually appealing. If you are shopping for your first electric car of this year, then it can be the best fit in terms of range, performance, value, practicality, style, perceived quality, and driver appeal. This specific EV has a materially rich interior and stylish bodywork. The car also rides with a suppleness. E208 is more flexible when on the road. The steering is striking for its directness, although body control deteriorates a little bit if you drive more enthusiastically. Mini Electric. Mini Electric has everything you expect of the brand. The structure is based on the 3-door Mini body shell. Mini Electric has adopted the powertrain from the BMW i3S and gave it a very healthy 181 bhp and 199 feet of torque. There is something brilliant about this specific car, and it's the performance. You will find it stronger than many of the cars listed here. If we only talk about performance, it got a nice grip and lives up to the expectation of the brand. Well, everyone likes Mini for sure. Mini has claimed 144 miles range, but it depends on how and where you drive it. In our experience, you will get 115 to 125 more likely. It is one of the best out there, but if we consider driving experience and affordability at the same time. Vauxhall Corsa E. Another good EV, Vauxhall has found a place on our list. Although it does not have the best interior and isn't priced the way it should be, but Vauxhall is surely worth a test drive. You can compare this specific EV with the Fujet. It might be a little plainer than the Fujet, but it still looks handsome enough. You are going to love the car's driving experience. You are going to get a 180 miles everyday battery range with excellent handling and a comfortable ride. 100 kilowatt DC rapid charging compatibility as standard is also going to be a good selling point. BMW i3S. Well, the i3 may not have claimed to have brought the concept of EV ownership to the mass market. However, it can claim that such cars could be interesting and have a good market share. BMW i3S has certainly made a difference, and it has gained in range, power, and interior technology. This model is now pure electric only. This specific EV has an official range of 188 miles. The 50 kilowatt charging potential is no more than you would expect given the i3's high asking price. What makes i3 stand out is the spongy body control aside, its sense of refinement, easygoing drivability, and interior. Honda E. Honda has finally decided to jump into the pool of EVs with its first all-electric car, the Honda E Super Mini. It is unusually compact for an electric car and innovative in various ways. Honda has lived up to its tradition by providing all-independent suspension. However, Honda E is available in 134 bhp and 152 bhp forms, but neither has quite the battery capacity of rivals. You are going to get a 35.5 kilowatt-hour, which makes for a claimed WLTP range of 137 miles maximum. Mazda MX-30. We all know that Mazda has never been afraid to do experiments, even when every auto manufacturer is doing something different. The MX-30 is not exactly what you would expect. However, it's an appealing vehicle. You will find tri-car looks wrapped around with an unusual small battery pack of just 35.5 kilowatt-hour, giving an official range of 124 miles. The reason behind this is that Mazda believes owners simply wouldn't need to drive longer journeys anymore in a small electric car. Perhaps they are right, since these cars are basically built for city commutes. It's spacious within and it has an SUV-like body that makes it trendy. With Mazda MX-30, charging at up to 50 kW is possible, and if the limited range works for you, then you are going to like this car. Renault Zoe. How can you forget Renault Zoe when you talk about the mini EVs? It always has been an appealing electric super mini, even when it was offered with a 22 kWh battery with only 80 miles range. The car's usability has enhanced over time. With a 41 kWh battery option, the car can go for 150 miles. Now you can find a comprehensively updated version with a significantly refreshed design. Plus is a 52 kWh battery and a range up to 245 miles. Renault Zoe has always offered strong value for money against its competitors, and it's very pleasing to drive. Previously, the Zoe couldn't be rapidly charged at the motorway services quite as quickly as its rivals, although CCS fast charging is now an option. Volkswagen e-Up. This spot could have been taken by Škoda's Citigo E. This spot could have been taken by Škoda's Citigo E4 or similar vehicle because it is mechanically the same car. The reason for putting VW is because of its slightly more playful appearance. VW's smallest electric car is updated in 2020 with an enlarged battery that now gives 159 miles. Moreover, there is also a cut to the asking price that is now just above £21,000. This Volkswagen is actually best suited as a second car option, and it could be perfect for the city commute. It can easily carry 4 passengers and 159 feet of torque makes it reasonably quick. DS3 Crossback E-Tense. DS3 Crossback E-Tense is a compact crossover with the near 200 miles of range. You will notice all the usual DS hallmark, including the distinctive exterior, lavish interior, and a decent dose of the performance. However, you will have your reservations as cabin space isn't very good. The driving experience is ordinary and the pricing is fairly steep. However, if you are looking to buy an EV that is less ordinary, then the E-Tense wouldn't let you down. Renault Twizy. Renault likes to live up to the expectations, and Twizy has a tagline: plug into the positive energy and you will immediately feel it once you are behind the wheels. Well, the Twizy is not technically a car and it comes under the quadricycle category. Twizy is a two-seater with the passenger sitting behind the driver and designed for a very short distance. With Twizy, you can most probably enjoy urban journeys as you will only get around 50 miles from the 6.1 kWh battery. It is certainly not an electric family car. It's fun to drive Twizy in the city and the prices start at just under £12,000. We hope you liked the video. This was our take on small electric cars. What do you think is the best electric car of 2021?